Hi, this is Rob and Kyle at Western Material Handling, home of a better forklift. Today we're showing you our unit 2479. It's a 99 Komatsu. It is a 9,000 pound lift sitting on air pneumatic tires. It's a gasoline powered lift. It does have 185 inches of lift to it with a side shift option. It does have fairly fresh paint. We're listing this unit out for $14,995. It is available to view in person at our Fort Collins location. We have also got locations in Commerce City, Colorado and Torrington, Wyoming. We do have field service available as well as in-shop parts and service available. So if that is anything that interests you, please look us up online at abetterforklift.com or stop into one of our 3 brick and mortar locations, and we look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.